Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, August 8th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 4.5 points right now to 28.55 per contract. All in all, futures starting to fall as the headlines are coming in that China has confirmed it will initiate $16 billion worth of tariffs on U.S. goods beginning August 23rd. So again, we're getting this trade war talk. Last night, the Shanghai Composite was lower. Again, we're going to see more of this going back and forth throughout the month of August. So get ready and let's try to profit off of it. In the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. Let's start off with the biggest one of the night. Disney, DIS is the ticker symbol. They reported earnings after the close yesterday. You can see the roller coaster ride that it had. Right now, the stock is trading at $114.60. It closed yesterday at $116.56. So we got a nice little downtick in Disney, but there's nothing really to do here yet. So again, you can see in the overnight or after-hour session yesterday, we traded as low as $112.85. Today, we're trading at $114.60. Again, if we took out these lows, I think we have some levels in play. But let's wait and see if that happens, and we'll look at this one closer in the intraday stock chat room. Next up, I want to take a look at Papa John's Pizza. They came out with earnings as well. The stock is getting hit today. Closed at $41.07. Now trading at $37.80. Again, the levels that I'm looking at here are just a bit lower, so we'll see if we do make new lows. Then I'll give those levels out in the intraday stock chat room. Nothing I'm looking to do here right off the cuff, but again, it will be on our radar today. PZZA, which is Papa John's Pizza. Here we have CAR, which is Avis Budget. Stock is trading at $36.50, closed at $38.47. So good little downtick for Avis Budget. I still think the stock has a lot of support around the $33.60, $33.50 level. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings, but keep that level on your radar. That probably will be pretty solid if retested. So we'll see if it does get down there. Right now, though, stock is trading at $36.50 with very little volume in the pre-market, so you can't make too much out of it. Yesterday, we had big news from Tesla. Elon Musk tweeting that he's looking to go private. And the stock got that big surge, went all the way above 385. Now retreating back in a little bit, trading at around 367. So Tesla coming back in just a touch here, and we'll see how this could be a roller coaster ride going forward, especially if Elon Musk continues to tweet, and we'll see how it goes there. But nonetheless, Tesla putting on a nice little short squeeze yesterday, and then today coming back in a little bit ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look at 3D Systems. This is a 3D printer maker. Stock is getting a nice pop, trading at $15.75. It closed at $13.57. So this is a good little move for 3D Systems. You got to think at this stage of the game, look at a weekly chart, we're probably headed up towards that $16 level. I think there's pretty good resistance. You'll see it went to $16.50 already. So again, right in here, very good short-term resistance. But nonetheless, this is a very good move for 3D Systems. In sympathy, you want to take a look at SSYS, which is Stratos. Haven't looked at that one in a while. SSYS, I believe. There we go. So here you see Stratos is trading up in sympathy. This is trading at $23.25. So getting a nice little pop on the back of 3D Systems. Let's take a look at AAOI. And what you're going to see here is this is having a huge move after earnings. Stock closed at $37.23. Applied Optoelectronics is soaring and roaring, now trading at around $36.21. So this might have a squeeze potential in it as well. A lot of shorts in this name. This could actually go up as high as $52 to $53. So yeah, I would not be looking to fade this right off the bat. This still might have some more upside in front of it. In sympathy, you want to take a look at LiTE, which is Lumentum. This stock right now trading at $63.15. Nice little pop there. I think they have earnings coming out as well. Let's take a look at MTCH, which is Match Group. And you'll see this is trading at $45.40. Great little move there. This is a little bit getting long in the tooth, coming into a lot of resistance. But nonetheless, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do much. Stock's only been around since December of 2015. So not a whole lot of back data to test it with, but nonetheless, match group with a nice little move. Fossil, FOSL, we traded this in the intraday stock chat room yesterday. This is trading at 27.50, closed at 26.31. So a little upticking there for Fossil. I don't see anything great or terrible. I would remain neutral. If you own the stock right now at this stage, I would just trail the stop loss. Nothing to do there yet. Let's take a look at Shutterfly, SFLY. This stock right now is trading at $90.55. It closed at $83.56, so great little pop. If you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's take a look at WB, which is good old WIBO. This is trading at $88.39. Stock closed at $83.47. This is a fantastic little pop. This is a pretty strong gap, so this might have some more upside to go. If you own it, trail the stop loss. We will be looking at all of these names and more once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Michael KORS, KORS. This stock right now is trading at $67.51, closed at $65.60. So a little bit of upticking. You could see right around the $70 level it started to stall. I would say 71 is probably where I think it would probably stall out a little bit, but again, we'll look at that one once the opening bell rings as well. Let's take a look at CVS, which is CVS Health. Stock is catching a bid here. Closed at $65.45. They reported earnings. It is now trading at $67.45. This is a very nice little pop there as well. Stock still got to get above 68 on a close. Then it could have some more legs to the upside. Let's take a look at WBA, which is Walgreens Boots Alliance. This is trading at 67.25. That's upticking a little bit in sympathy. Let's take a look at CYBR. CYBR is the ticker symbol. Here, stock right now is trading at 67.55, closed at 61.77. And then last but not least, we'll do one more, ALB, which is Albemarle. Stock is trading at $96, closed at $92.81. So we got lots of movers to the upside despite the futures trading down a little bit. You have NASDAQ futures trading lower by $20. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Gold down $2 today. Crude oil down 92 cents to 68.24. So gold is down just a touch. And then you have crude oil down almost $1 here, so you want to keep an eye on that. And we will look at the U.S. dollar index, which is trading a little bit higher today, above the 95 level. So again, dollar up, and we'll see how this all shakes out, because this is going to be very interesting. We'll probably get more talk about the potential trade wars and so forth, and we'll see how that plays out. But China has come out and said they will initiate tariffs on $16 billion worth of U.S. goods. All right, there you have it. Again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. We've got the futures down a little bit. That means we'll get some volatility. We got lots of stocks in motion, so get ready, and let's make some money today. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you all on the charts.